We must thank Mr. President for interfering and intervening. I have subjected myself to the peace process. And if you ask, what is everybody shouting? Some of you do not even know that Mr. President had invited us privately and said, do this, do this, do this, do this. And you agreed.
This is interesting. This is my first time of hearing from Nyesom Wike, Minister of FCT, that he wants peace, that he is the one suing for peace. But from his utterances, right from the time this saga started, it was war after war. Everything he was saying was authoritatively. How come he's now so humble to the extent of saying that he's the one that wants peace? I think the incumbent governor, Fubara, has humbled Wike to the extent that he is now afraid of moving around in Rivers State. The other day, the Rivers youth gathered and composed a song for Wike, saying, Wike, day your day. This is a crisis that could have been solved a long time ago, but Wike thought that Fubara, the incumbent governor, will continue to be his puppet. But reverse was the case. I will allow you to listen to the end of this video that he made in the church, saying that Mr. President invited them privately, that Fubara have agreed with the stipulations and orders of Mr. President, that he cannot go out there and say that he did not agree. This is absolutely laughable indeed. Take a listen.
Don't put the ladder you used to climb. If not where you are coming back, the ladder is put down, I don't know how you will come down. I prayed for the church to continue praying for us and let us be firm. We must thank Mr. President for interfering and intervening. But I was not the one who invited Mr. President. You were the one. President intervened. President intervened. President has not intervened. He has no constitutional power. You are the one who said President should intervene. And President has intervened to bring peace. You now turn around that no, he does not have the constitutional power. No matter what circumstances, President invites me to a meeting and tells me to do something. Within 24 hours, I will carry it out. Because not only as president, but I have subjected myself to the peace process. And if you ask, what is everybody shouting? Some of you do not even know that Mr. President had invited us privately and said, do this, do this, do this, do this. And you agreed. Before Mr. President, and you didn't do it. And President has now invited, okay, the larger stage, come. We must tell our people the simple truth. I've done my own part, and I'm happy, and I'm doing well in Abuja too.